Hey guys, welcome to our Foreign Builds channel. A couple days ago we found a car on Copart that caught our eye. We took a shot at it and won it for a fair price. It's a 2018 Lamborghini Huracan Performante SPYDER. We're driving out tonight to go pick it up. We want to take you guys along with us on this journey, so stay tuned.
In the beginning, there was time.
Finally made it to Sun Valley Copart. We got the car loaded up onto the trailer. The damages, as you can see, are not as bad as we expected. Now we're going to head back to Sacramento to our shop. Stay tuned for the rebuild.
Every night has come to this. On every star we'll make a wish. All my life I fought for this.
Here I have the previous owner, Dave. We actually found him on Instagram and messaged him, and he was nice enough to come out here and meet us. And hopefully we're going to collab in the future. We're going to do a full rebuild of this car, step by step. So stay tuned.
We're excited, guys. Next time we see this, we're going to see step-by-step progress on you guys' channel showing the build of this. So we're really excited to see it back on the road. And thanks for having me come out and check it out today as well.
Thank you, man.
Appreciate it.
Hey guys, we're currently driving back from Los Angeles. Like I said, our shop is all in Sacramento. We got about 4 more hours to get there, and as soon as we get there, I'm hoping it's going to be still light outside. That way we give you guys a clear video of how we're unloading it and all that. I don't know if we're going to start on it tonight or maybe even early tomorrow morning, but we're going to start disassembling the whole front end, seeing what kind of parts we need. Hopefully we don't need as much parts as we think. From the way it looks right now, we don't really need that much parts. We'll bring you guys along with this build.
All my life I fought for this, a new beginning.
Hey guys, as you can see, we finally made it back from Los Angeles to Sacramento to our shop. We have taken off the straps already. Now we just got to roll the car down off the trailer, then pull out the rest of the cars out of the shop. We're going to put this one in the farther room. That way we have space to work on it. We will wash it before we put it into the shop. That way it's all nice and clean. Look out for if there's any scratches or dents. There shouldn't be any scratches because the whole car is clear broad everywhere else around, other than the damaged parts. But yeah, we'll let you guys know.
Alright guys, so we washed the car and it's getting late, so we're gonna get into the car another day, probably tomorrow. We just need a full day to actually get into the car. It was a smart thing for the owner to cover the whole car with the clear brush, so there are no scratches anywhere. So, and yeah, so hope you guys like the video. Yeah, like, subscribe, share.